Saudi Arabia Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is back in Washington. And at the top of his shopping list is one of the world's most advanced weapons, the American F-35 fighter jet. For years, the kingdom has wanted the stealth aircraft. But every US administration blocked the sale, largely because Israel opposed it. Now, under President Donald Trump, that may be about to change.
We're going to sell them F-35s. That's the end of the question, I guess. We're going to have a deal. They're going to purchase F-35s. They're buying them from Lockheed, and it's a great plane. We make, by the way, the best military equipment. You saw that during the Iran little skirmish. We make the best planes, the best missiles. We make the best offensive missiles. We make the best military equipment in the world.
So why the rush for the F-35? This jet is no ordinary warplane. Built by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 is a radar-evading, data-absorbing, threat-hunting machine designed to strike before the enemy even knows it's there, with variants that can take off from runways, short airstrips, even aircraft carriers. The F-35 gives air forces a level of power and intelligence earlier generations simply couldn't. For Saudi Arabia, owning it would mean a massive leap in military capability, strengthening its position in a volatile region from Iran tensions to the long unfinished conflict in Yemen. Trump says he wants the deal, even promising Riyadh the same jets flown by Israel, breaking decades of US policy. If approved, this won't just be a weapon sale. It will reshape power dynamics across the Middle East and send a message that Washington and Riyadh are closer than ever.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.